Teacher are duly licensed professional who possess dignity and reputation with high moral values as well as technical and professional competence in the practice of their noble profession and they strictly adhere to observe and practice this set of ethical and moral principles, standards, and values. Article 1, Scope and Limitation. Section 1. The Philippine Constitution provides that all education for all competence teachers committed to its full realization. The provision of this code shall apply to all teachers in schools in the Philippines. Uh, Section 2. This code covers all public and private school teachers in all educational institutions at the preschool, primary, elementary, and secondary levels, whether academic, vocational, technical, or non-formal. So, Article 2, the teacher and the state. Section 1, promote nation pride, cultivate love of country and obedience to the laws and the state. Um, Section 2, carry out declared the policies of the state. Section 3, physically, mentally, and morally fit. Section 4, full commitment and devotion to duty. Section 5, not engage in the promotion of any political, religious, or of the partisan interest. Section 6, vote and exercise all other constitutional rights and responsibility. Section 7, not use his position or official authority to influence others. Section 8, enjoy academic freedom, conduct research, and pursue studies. Article 3, the teacher and the community. Article 1 is Section 1, conducive learning environment for all learners. Section 2 is provide leadership initiative in the community, social, economic, social, educational, economic, and civic betterment. Section 3, reference such activities such as smoking, drunkenness, and other excesses. Section 4, study and understand local custom and tradition. Section 6, inform the community and the school works and accomplishment as well as its needs and problems. Section 6, intellectual leader in the community, intellectual leader in the community. Section 7, maintain harmonious and pleasant personal and relation with other professional with government official. Section 8, freedom to attend and worship as appropriate, but shall not use his position and influence to proselyte others. Article 5, the teacher and the profession. Section 1, ensure that teaching is the noblest profession and shall manifest genuine enthusiasm and pride in teaching as a noble calling. Section 2, uphold the highest possible standards. Uphold the highest possible standards and quality education shall make the best preparation for the career of teaching. Section 3, participate in the continuing professional education, pursue such other studies as will improve his efficiency, enhance the enhance of enhance the prestige of the profession, and strengthen his competence to be nationally and internationally competitive. Section 4, support from the support seek support from the school seek support from the school uh, seek support from the school, but should not make improper misinterpretation through personal advertisement and other questionable means. Section 5, use the teaching profession as a manner I use as in a manner that makes it dignified means for earning decent living. Article 5, Article 5, the teacher and the teaching community. Section 1, imbued spirit of professional loyalty, mutual confidence, and faith in one another. Self-sacrifice for the common good and full cooperation with colleges when the best interest of the learners, the school or the profession is at stake. In any controversy, teachers shall support one another. Section 2, entitled to claim credit work not Section 2, not entitled to claim credit or work not of his own, and shall give due to credit for the work of others he may use. Section 3, before leaving his position, a teacher shall organize for whoever assumes the position on such records and other data. Section 4, hold inviolate all confidential information concerning associate and the school, and shall not divulge to anyone documents which has not been officially released, and removes records from file without permission. Section 5 din ang. Section 5, correctives for what may appear to be an unprofessional and unethical conduct of any associate. Section 6, may submit to the proper authorities or any justifiable criticism against an associate, preferably in writing, without violating the individual concerned. Section 7, may apply for vacant position for which he is qualified, or if he met the qualification. Article 6, the teacher and the higher authorities in the Philippines. Section 1, understand and support the legitimate policies of the school and administration, and regardless of personal feeling or private opinion, and shall and shall faithfully carry them out. Section 2, Section 2, not make any false accusation or charges against superiors, especially under the anonymity. However, if there are valid charges, or he should present such under the oath to competent authority. Section 3, transact all official business on appropriate channel. Wait lang. Nasa bata mo?